Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's just first hold the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see the new created home screen folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here more application. If you want to rename the folder, just click here once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. Tap here to OK on the home screen, and now we can see that we just successfully renamed our device home screen folder. If you want to move this folder here on the screen, that's not a problem, just hold it and drag it here or just here. We can also move folders between the screens by this way. We can create the new screens with the folder, and let's move it between the screens so we can add it here. And if you want to remove some applications from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it here to the home screen. If you want to stay with this application on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to remove icon. Tap here to remove, but don't worry, you'll stay with this application just in your system. So they will remove this application only from your device home screen, and just by this way we can add or remove home screen folders on our XIAOMI device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.